Hello and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things social media. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money on Instagram. Instagram is not only a platform for sharing photos and videos with friends, it has also become a popular platform for making money. Here are 4 ways to make money on Instagram. Number 1. Sponsored posts. One of the most popular ways to make money on Instagram is through sponsored posts. A sponsored post is a post in which you are paid to feature a brand or product. To get started with sponsored posts, you need to have a significant following and an engaged audience. Brands are more likely to work with influencers who have a following that aligns with their target audience. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money on Instagram. With affiliate marketing, you promote a product or service on your Instagram account and receive a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to promote products that align with your audience's interests. Number 3. Selling products. Instagram is also a great platform for selling products. You can create your own product or partner with a brand to sell their products through your Instagram account. To succeed in selling products on Instagram, you need to have an engaged audience and post high-quality photos and videos of your products. Number 4. Instagram advertisements. Instagram advertisements are a great way to reach a larger audience and make money. Instagram ads appear in between users' feeds and stories. To get started with Instagram ads, you need to create an ad campaign using the Facebook Ads Manager. This will allow you to target your ideal audience and create an ad that aligns with your brand. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money on Instagram. If you're interested in any of these methods, be sure to do your research and consult with professionals to determine which option is best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.